Hey guys, how are you? So I'm here for Pilates and 2 minutes and I have to be inside for Pilates. Yes. But guys, I love this coach that I have and so I'm so excited. But I'll take you guys with me. Hold on. So I am so late. Yeah. I am ready.
Ball in the ring.
Hold on.
Your sister. Yeah, I can tell y'all related.
This was a great workout. Yes, a great one. This was a great workout. Yes, a great one. Hey guys, so I just finished Pilates. You saw me look? I sweat so much. I'm with one of my favorite instructor though. Her name is Ebony. Guys, it was a good workout. It was. I feel so light. I feel so refreshed. We did a lot of legs today. And I'm telling you, I'm so excited. So now I'm gonna go get me an acai bowl and then I'm gonna go get my hair done. I'm gonna go get my hair washed. And so see if I can get everything done before it's time for Gabby to get out of school. I'm gonna check it out. Alright. So come along with me. I'm gonna grab my acai bowl, then I go ahead and get my hair washed. So I just got me my acai bowl and I'm gonna order a patty from a Jamaican restaurant. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do now. May I tell us that the wind will blow out here, so freezing. Alright, I'm at a Jamaican restaurant here. Come order me some patty. Hello, how are you? I have a nice, delicious. Look at it, guys, how beautiful it is. Yes, I'm gonna got a patty and a poker bread. So I'm gonna eat. I am gonna be eating it. So my patty here. I'm a poker bread. Let me see if I sanitize my hand good enough because although them say sanitizer can't get rid of the neurovirus, but still I try a thing, you know? Yeah. Make sure my hand clean, good clean before I actually eat it. So a cocoa bread and a patty. See that? So I gotta eat, guys. I too much food after I work out, you know, but hey, I just feel fit today, so I gotta eat. Alright. So me soon, yeah? Alright.
Say what you wanna say to me now.
The thing fall off. Is it too short? I think it's too short.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
So guys, my hair is done. It is wrapped for tomorrow. So tomorrow I will show you what it looks like. I'm gonna head into the grocery store to pick some stuff up because I'm making salmon and rice to take for our lunch tomorrow because we'll be gone all day. And yeah, so I'll show you in the morning what my hair looks like. And yeah, I don't know, I don't like pin curls. I don't know about anybody else, but hey, we'll figure it out. Hey guys, I'm at my lash appointment. I'm about to get my lashes done. So when it's done, I will show you my lash and my brow. All right, let's go.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? So
Here's the final. So hey guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here, but thank you for watching. I went out, me and my toe crackers. I went out to my circuit assembly today, and I'm now back. And yeah, this was my look today. And you guys know that I love this hat, right? So guess what? When I was outside, this is me. Look at me. Yes, to cover my hair, but hey, it's cute anyway. It is cute. My hair is giving hair. You tell you my hairstylist is. So my first time, I don't like pin curl. So I told her that I wanted a new look. And she gave it to me and she told me what to do. And it did work out, guys. It just fell. It didn't fell all day. It was just so shrimped up, but it's beautiful. So thank you for watching. Bye. See you in the next vlog, guys.